I'm very sure you might have seen this type of content on YouTube, and this is an AI generated content. Currently, there are about few videos that have been generated with AI using this same techniques. And if you look at the numbers of video posted and the number of view that has been generated, joined YouTube on July 18, video is low, subscriber is high, and then there are a lot of views also. This is also another page that is also generating similarly the same thing. This channel was created on October 5 and today is 10, barely 5 days ago if I'm not mistaken. And look at the number of subscribers. This is also another one. This joined the same on October 5. Look at the video posted so far, just 48 videos. That's ranked up about 6.29 subscribers, and then we also have 404 views. So what am I trying to say here? How can you create this type of channel and start making money? I have some simple guidelines here and some of the tools you are going to be needing. If you need this full script, you can use the link in the description to get it. So these are tools that you are going to be needing to generate this type of content. Of course, number one is you have to open a new YouTube channel, and if you want to know how to open a good YouTube channel that is going to help you grow your account faster, you can use this video to learn more about that. The first thing you want to do is you want to copy the title of a video you want to use first. This is the video we are going to be using, 50 cents 21 questions. So I've copied that and I'm going to be pasting them on ChatGPT just like this and add this actual prompt, generate a Suno prompt for this title above, and this is what is generated for me. And after generating all of these things, all I do next is just copy them and copy them down to Suno. And if you notice, this is a male singer. What you want to do is come here, click on vocal gender, click on male, then you come here, you click on this icon to generate the lyrics, write full song, then you click and copy this actual title, 21 questions by 50 Cent. So you copy that and you come here, paste it. It's going to generate these two songs for you. So you select any one of your choice, and I'm going with this. Then once you click on that one, then you click on create, and automatically it's going to create these two audio for you. And mind you, Suno is not for free. You are going to pay at least some dollar to have access to use the song on public spaces. After generating, so you play it and pick anyone that you feel like you like. So I'm going to go for this second one. Let's just go for this one. And what you want to do next is you want to download this audio as video. Reason for that is because we are going to be editing on CapCut. Once you are done generating the sound and downloaded the sound, the next thing you want to do is you want to generate your thumbnail, this actual one here. And how do you go about that? Copy the link of the video you want to generate, then paste the link here and you click on generate, and you are going to see this actual picture here. You download the image or you click and drag to your ChatGPT. I already have the image here. You give ChatGPT this prompt that should give you the image prompt for this picture. Copy the actual prompt generated and come to Meta AI. You paste it here and just change some words there, like the actual artist you want it to look like, just like what I did here, 50 Cent artist. So after I send it, it generated this image for me and it's not really looking like 50 Cent. So all you have to do next is just put up this write-up. 50 Cent, this actual one, 50 Cent in 1960 vintage suit with a red back, blah, blah. So once you generate that, so I'm going with this image. So you click on download here, and once it has been downloaded, the next thing you want to do is you want to create your thumbnail. So to create your thumbnail, just come to your Canva and you come to your template here to look for a thumbnail template. Here, just type a thumbnail template, an empty one for that matter. So once you create your empty thumbnail template, just blank like this, all you have to do is just upload the picture you want to use as thumbnail. Just select it, click and drag it on this template, then right click on it and set as background, and this B is just a text. So just add any channel name you want to use, the beginning of your channel name, or you can use the full of your channel name. So once you are done with that, the next place you want to go is your CapCut. You want to import picture and the audio you generated the other time. So you want to import them to your CapCut and align them to match with the video. Then you want to drag this one aside and change the ratio to 16:9, and you are done. This is how you generate all of the video from the beginning to the end. So once you are done, just come to your YouTube and come and upload your video. So in case you find value in this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. In case you are interested in joining my community where I talk more about how to create AI content and make money from it, and also how to go viral with your first post, you can use the link in the description. Turn on your post notifications so that whenever I'm posting my next video, you are going to be the first person to see my video. And on that note, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.